Sir, thank you for the time you have given to me. Innovations have helped a lot to the humankind. It has made our life easy and changed the entire world. When you do a technical innovation, you are respected for your achievements, you get an award, people clap. But when it comes to other achievements, people don't bother. I stand here on behalf of all those people who have done a fantastic social innovation. Do we ever remember the person who innovated the idli grinder that made us, all our life, women particularly, so easy in domestic life? Do we remember the person who took husk away from the rice and made to boil and make it edible rice, and we all enjoy that? We don't. Do we remember the person who made clutches so that many people, millions of people take that simple innovation and made their life much better? We do not remember social innovators at all. So innovation is a part of making our society better. And I want to tell that a person who found out a QR code in Japan did not patent his innovation. He said, no, it should be made free. And with QR code, our economy is the entire global economy is booming very well. But he did it because Bahujana Hitaya, Bahujana Sukhaya. Social innovators always think of helping people, helping society. I can go endless list of social innovations. Sir, Government of India is very kind, and they have many awards instituted in many categories. For example, you are a CSR award from Department of Corporate Affairs, so that a good CSR money who spends on social work will get it. You have technology oriented many awards, and you do get it from Department of Commerce and Industries. When it comes to social innovation, there are no award line. So I requesting Government of India to start a new award line, social innovation line, so that social innovators can be recognized, respected, and we get the advantage of that, all of us in the society. Sir, I worked in social sector in my previous avatar for a long time, and I instituted this kind of awards, and many beneficiaries I saw. A man who made, Prashant Gade particularly, he made an artificial hand, and it changed the life of particularly many women who could do a lot more work. There are small things in medical devices they have made. You can recognize the inadequacies in early childhood. Thank you very much, sir, giving me this time. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
Srimati Jabi Mathur Isam,
Minister for Road Transport and Highways, Shri Nitin Gadkari ji, for the massive support they have given to Himachal Pradesh. Nearly 30,000 crore have already been invested by the central government in our national highways, and the day out is about 45,000 crore. Sir, our Himalayan mountains are extremely fragile. This year's heavy monsoon has caused repeated landslides, road collapses, and long closures. Any development work, especially on roads, must therefore be done with great care to protect the ecology. Mountain roads require expertise. Straight, deep hill cutting has become common, and this unscientific approach has destabilized slopes, causing landslides and destroying the terrain permanently. Honorable Gadkari ji has pointed out that often the DPRs themselves are inadequate. Weak DPRs lead to wrong methods on the ground. Agencies preparing DPRs must be scrutinized, and every DPR must be based on proper geotechnical and environmental studies. In this regard, I welcome Gadkari's directive to NHAI to include soil and slope stabilization, land protection walls, and geostatic measures in all DPRs. Sir, on-site supervision by trained NHAI officials is extremely essential to ensure that contractors follow the approved plan and no shortcuts are taken. Many contractors fail to meet the targets or deliver the quality required. They are guilty of unscientific hill cutting and even muck dumping into the rivers. Such violations must invite strict action, and NHAI officials must ensure that those contractors are constantly monitored and held accountable. I am confident that with these changes and with the continuous support of the central government, we can build stronger and more sustainable roads that protect our fragile Himalayan ecology while improving connectivity for our people. Thank you, sir.
श्रीमान सनीलाल घरासिया जी।
धन्यवाद आदरणीय सभापति महोदय। मैं बड़ी सादरी उदयपुर रेल मार्ग के सुधार एवं नई कनेक्टिविटी के लिए अनुरोध के लिए खड़ा हुआ हूं। मैं राजस्थान उदयपुर से आता हूं, महाराणा प्रताप की धरती से। मैं आपके माध्यम से सरकार को अवगत करवाना चाहता हूं कि राजस्थान का प्रसिद्ध पर्यटक स्थान मेवाड़, जिसमें चित्तौड़, उदयपुर, नाथद्वारा, रणकपुर, बांसवाड़ा, चित्तौड़ में प्रति वर्ष हजारों की संख्या में पर्यटक आते हैं। हाल ही में हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री माननीय नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी ने उदयपुर रेलवे के विकास के लिए कई महत्वपूर्ण कदम उठाए हैं। इस संदर्भ में सरकार को अवगत कराना चाहता हूं कि पिछले वर्ष के आंकड़े देखे जाएं तो बड़ी सादड़ी मावली उदयपुर रेल मार्ग पर समस्त रेलवे स्टेशनों से यात्रियों की संख्या अप्रत्याशित वृद्धि हुई है और समस्त क्षेत्रवासियों को सस्ता और सुलभ रेलवे साधन उपलब्ध हो चुका है। क्योंकि भविष्य में अब यह रेलवे लाइन मध्य प्रदेश के नीमच तक जुड़ने वाली है। बड़ी सादड़ी में मावली होकर उदयपुर तक चलने वाली ट्रेन का सफर लगभग 124 किलोमीटर होता है। साथ ही मावली में पावर चेंज करने के समय भी लगता है। यह सब यथावत चल रहे हैं, पर भविष्य में नीमच से आने वाली ट्रेनों का मावली जाकर खेमली, भीमल होकर देवारी और उदयपुर जाना होगा, जिसमें काफी समय लगेगा। इस समस्या के निदान हेतु मैं भारत सरकार से मांग करता हूं कि बड़ी सादड़ी से मावली आ रही ब्रॉडगेज रेलवे लाइन के मध्य भविष्य में भटेवर खिरोदा ओवरब्रिज से दरौली डबोक होकर देवारी स्टेशन तक मिलान के लिए नई ब्रॉडगेज लाइन का सर्वे कर रेल लाइन बिछाया जाए, जिससे यात्रियों को और अधिक लाभ मिल सकेगा। धन्यवाद।
श्रीमती सुधा मूर्ति जी।